Actually, I'm originally from North.
North.
North Fairview.
Wala ba? Huwag na. Diyan ka na. Ako lang. Para sulok-sulok yung para mag-screenshot. Yay! Kita mo na?
준비되었습니다. 출발.
Akala ko nung na-state yan.
This one?
800m
Go
앞에서
here.
직진하세요.
Here. Go here.
Here.
Here, right?
Here.
Lapitang.
Lapit lang.
근데 쟤는 한국 사람이에요. Korea예요, Korea.
You're Korean. You're new here?
Yeah, new here. Yeah, I'm just following
It's okay.
Waze.
It's okay.
학생이에요. 이 student.
Student
from USDA.
Student.
Oh.
Student daw, ID.
ID here po.
Oh, yeah. What school?
USD.
USD?
Yeah.
What program stuff?
Physical therapy.
Oh,
Here.
oh yeah, it's there. Yeah, just follow the ways.
Yes.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah, yeah, first time encounter Korean driver. Right.
Yeah. My first time.
Yeah, first time.
How's Philippines so far? Messy.
Some of other place, but 이 BGC Makati 좋아요.
Makati is very good there. It's very good there.
I like
Good
to.
urban planning.
It's so messy here.
Yeah, but it's okay. I like the people.
They like people.
Very
Welcoming.
mabait. Yeah,
Mabait.
mabait.
How long have you been here?
3 years here. 3 years.
Oh, 3 years.
Yeah, already 3 years here. But Tagalog, I like to. Kunti Tagalog.
Konti.
Yeah, kunti Tagalog. You try to teach me basic Tagalog?
Have you tried introducing yourself in Tagalog?
Not yet.
Okay. Ako si your name. Then your name.
Oh, ako si the manner.
Yes.
Ako si, yeah, Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Kun.
Hoon.
Yeah, Hoon.
Oh, last name. That's my last name, Hoon. My first name is Sutang.
Sutang. Hun Sutang.
Hoon Sutang. In Korea. But here, yeah, I follow the rules here. Yeah,
Sutang
Sutang.
Hun.
Yeah. 이름 뭐야? What's your name?
Linus.
Linus. And how about the other?
What's your name, guys?
I'm Gab.
Edison. Edison.
And
Liam. That's Liam.
yeah, nice to meet you.
The one in Grab.
Oh yeah, 반갑습니다. It means nice to meet you. 반갑습니다.
What province are you in Korea?
Actually, I'm originally from North.
North.
North Fairview.
North Fairview.
I live in Fairview now. Yeah, I live in Fairview now.
Fairview. long. It's traffic there.
Yeah. I'm looking here, establishment for my business here.
Oh, what kind of business?
Wait. This is my little business now. This is not a prank and it is now open. It is called Brukada by Tom Battles. If you are nearby, can visit it here, Panti Bulacan. Just waste Brukada by Tom Battles. And you can also franchise it for only 89,000 milk tea and takoyaki. For inquiries, just message them on Facebook, Brukada Pasig.
I'm looking here, establishment for my business here.
Oh, what kind of business?
Pogo.
Galing naman yan.
What?
Pogo.
Pogo?
Yeah.
Casino?
Hmm?
Is it casino?
Pogo?
Pogo? What's Pogo?
Yeah, like this pogo.
Ah, egg!
Yeah. Quail egg.
Quail egg.
Mm.
There are a lot of businesses who sell
Oh.
eggs like that.
I have a friend in Pampanga, Pogo Farm.
Pogo farm.
Mm. Yeah, Pogo Farm.
Most of the Koreans here, business is about salons.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, some.
It's quite very common. It's here, Korean salon.
Mm. I have a. We are 3 Korean driver here.
Ah, you take turns.
Yeah, we are driver here.
This is a side
Philippines.
job only.
Looking establishment for business.
Oh.
Business. Yeah, my best friend. I think he's in Makati now. Makati right now.
Why did you leave Korea?
Yeah, we are planning to build a business here.
Business.
I like the culture here.
Like the
The
culture.
people here are very,
Mabait.
yeah, also funny people.
Funny.
Yeah.
My friends are jokers.
Oh,
Very funny.
But in Korea,
Oh, yeah.
where do you live? Because I'm planning to visit in Seoul one day.
I live in Seoul.
Oh, so it's expensive there.
Sultan Kudarat before. Before the part of
You know a lot
Mindanao.
of places here in Philippines. I admire that.
In Mindanao, here.
I live in LA also.
Where is it?
Lower Antipolo.
Mm.
It's far from here,
Yeah,
but
where's the
no, it's far. It's from mountains.
provinces?
Like Jeju-do.
Oh yeah. Very far.
Yeah, that's far.
Yeah, we're here, right?
Near.
Yeah, 직진하세요. We go straight. We go right or just out of view?
Right, diba?
I'll tell you when to turn right.
Yeah, here.
Yes,
Astro.
then turn
Alright.
Yes, Asturias.
회전입니다.
This one? That one. Taste from the greens.
Dito na lang kayo sa gilid na.
Sabi ko na nga,
Kuya, kuwang-kuha mo ah.
Nakakay-drama niyo yung kuya.
Kaya pala marami ka alam na Sultan Kudarat ha.
Wait lang ha? Sino nakapanood sa akin?
Kami kuya.
alam na namin.
Ito. Alam hindi.
Hindi.
Hindi kuya, kaya ganap na ganap kuya.
Ha?
Kaya ganap na ganap eh.
Welcoming lang ako.
Filipino hospitality.
So, ibig sabihin, siya lang yung na-prank. So, kayong apat hindi.
Nalata ko na eh, kuya.
So, prank.
Tingnan ko pala kuya yung grab eh. Sabi ko, ba't Tagalog yung pangalan?
Oo. Pero,
Na-prank ako.
na-prank.
Na-prank ako ng Korean.
Hindi niya nalata yung mga Sultan Kudarat, yung mga Tanghun, yung mga North
Sabayan ko lang
Perfume.
kasi.
Mhm. So, okay lang isama ko kayo sa content ko, no? Okay lang. So, ayan, baka may shoutout, oh. Ito yung camera natin.
Shoutout pa sa pamilya
Shoutout
ko.
sa pamilya ko.
Oo, ayan, siya lang yung
Buntis ako,
na-prank.
di ko sumama ka saan, imnid ah.
So, ito, ibigay ko yung sticker, no?
Thank you po kuya.
Shoutout Lorenzo Bangonino.
Alam niyo ba, nakaraming prank na ako to sa UST? Nakaraming prank na ako nito. Iwan ko lang kung napanood niyo na yung ibang mga taga-UST na na-prank ko. Yan.
Thank you kuya.
Thank you
So,
po.
naka-grab pay kayo. So, actually, namimigay ako ng free ride. So, ibabalik ko sa inyo tong
Thank you po.
Yay!
Wala, thank you po.
Kasi namimigay lang ako ng free ride sa mga pasahero. Yan. Lalo na kayong mga estudyante. Di ba?
Ingat.
Thank you, ha.
Thank you kuya. Thank you po. Abangan ko na lang po.
Yes!
Thank you po.
Yari yung nasa harap.
Nadali kuya.
Nadali.
Thank you po kuya. Ingat po kayo.
Tawan-tawa yung sa likod eh.
Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat, seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang, no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Free rides para sa mga estudyante. Driver na komedyante, walang katulad sa klase. Pag si kuya si ate, nahuhuli minsan. Pero di kulong tawa pa rin, kaya magaan. Nagpapanggap na Koreano pero Filipino. Annyeonghaseyo, pasahero'y gulat na gulat, seryoso pero di nila alam ito'y biro lang. Don Vertos, tawa-tawa nang walang katulad. Don Vertos, the great pretender. Good vibes sa kalsada, tawa lang, no wonder. Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida, ang bati niya. Sa video ni Lodi, talagang mag-enjoy ka.